whole black pepper, whole green cardamom, and cinnamon sticks, and bay leaf, whole cumin, right now is roasted, slow flame for the aroma. This spice is for the aromas. Now we are adding the GG paste. GG paste is a ginger and garlic paste. It's 50-50%, 50 ginger and 50 garlic. And right now is the paste we are adding here. This cooking is very little slow, medium slow the gas. If the gas is slow flame, the food cook very well, and every food need to cooking slow flame if they are cooking the first steps, and the final step they can cook high flame, but the first step need to every food slow flame. So that right now ginger and garlic paste is cooking with the spices and oil. And right now we are adding the chicken curry. Chicken is here. Chicken is already marinating with the ginger garlic paste and red chili and salt and lemon. It's already, and green coriander is already marinating for the 6 hours before. Right now is well marinating, and right now we are adding the chicken curry inside of the spices. Okay, we are ready for putting here. This is the masala chai. Right now we're making the Jaipuri Naan. We need three things. Dough is ready, and on the top we need put oil. The oil is already heat, then is already cook oil. Then we add oil here, and green coriander leaves. Then we put on the top flour for dusting, for the layer, and then one folding. Then again same procedure. The oil, green coriander, and the flour for dusting. Okay, it's coming folding. Then we fold one more time. Then we relax for 1 minute. After 1 minute we use a rolling pin. Okay. Right now we open the folding bread. Just need to cook little bit more. Then we open one more folding, but need little bit time. Then we open one more fold, then it's going big, large. Like a Jaipuri sari, it's like one cloth of India.